is day 6 of becoming a better communicator. We'll be starting immediately. I don't have much time. I'm running really late for office today. So, as usual, I'm setting up the timer, and first we'll be starting with the tongue twisters to improve the pronunciation. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers while Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter was bitter, so she bought better butter to make the bitter butter better. Meanwhile, she sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells are surely seashells. Near the shore, a tutor who tutored a flute tried to tutor two tutors to toot, but they said it was tougher to toot than the tutor had taught. At the same time, a big black bug bit a big black bear, making the big black bear bleed black blood. Around the corner, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather echoed as three free throws thrilled 33 thirsty thieves. Finally, Rory the warrior and Roger the warrior were rearing rabbits, while truly rural rulers rarely ruled rural roads. And now we immediately proceed to the next stage, which would be to set up the timer and read loudly with the pen in my mouth to improve my articulation. Let's start. Picture this, it's 6 a.m., your alarm goes off and you know you should get up and go to the gym. But your bed feels like the most comfortable place on earth. Your brain starts negotiating 5 more minutes. Actually, I'll work out tomorrow. I'm tired anyway. Does this sound familiar? You're not broken, you're not lazy, you're not lacking willpower. Your brain is simply doing what it evolved to do. Avoid discomfort, conserve energy. Before we get into solution, it helps to understand what you are actually fighting. Your brain creates resistance in 2 predictable ways, and recognizing these patterns is the first step to beating them. Resistance type 1 is the emotional pushback. Your brain isn't judging tasks logically, it's judging them emotionally. Here's the key insight. And now we immediately proceed to the next phase, which should be once again set up the timer, but this time I'll be speaking in such a way that the last word of my sentence will be the first word to start my next sentence to improve my wit and on-spot thinking. Here we go. Today once again I am running late. Late I am because today is the 10th of Muharram Islamic calendar, so we have to fast. Fasting made me get up really early in the morning after having slept really late at night, and that made me sleep longer. Longer the days, longer the fast becomes, because we fast from morning, from sunrise to sunset. Sunsets are the best time during the fasting days, because it is at those times you realize that the entire day of hunger is fulfilled within 10 minutes of eating. It just shows you how fleeting contentment can be, yet it is important for us. As Muslims, our fasting style is in such that we do not eat and do not drink for the entire day. That be it. I feel that I am still lacking in this particular training. I have to figure out a few more parts to improve my communication, so I'll be researching on it. But for now, this will be it. Thank you for watching so far. Wishing you have a great day.